Yes. Harambe, ano aonge kod harambe. Jopiny mayudo pek ema luongowa I harambe. Koro mano must be very clear.
Okay.
Yes, kamano. As to a good manager, ongegan, there is always short term and long term, but all of them have the same goal. Koro gimwatimoga is short term to cushion our people against the ravaging poverty that is invading our constituency. Sani kata kidhi Ugunja, in 10 households, ibro nwangon nyithindo aboro nitie sani dala because of school fees. So such struggles emwatemo nwadwok piny.
Okay.
Yes. Pudh avocado okrach. Those are long-term sustainable development. Mwantie kodo. Yes. Which ngato nyalo timo when they are motivated. Yes. Kata ko wacho ni watimo development, dodong dhano nyaka chiem. Dong adiera.
Okay.
Koro don't, with all due respect, Mr. Chris, kiki batisa gik ma jotelo timo Ugunja kaka handout. Handout ang'eyo ni en gimoro midiyo ni dhano matin. Lakini seche mwatero nyathi school bosomo, that is an investment. Come on.
Okay.